Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Qubrid AI. In today's video, we'll be learning about how to use MiniMax M2.7 module on Qubrid AI. To start with, you need to be logged into your account. Once you have logged in, just click on View All Modules. It will take you to a modules catalog page. You can see the MiniMax M2.7 listed in this part. In case it's not visible and we have added more modules after that, you can also search about the MiniMax modules in this part, or you can also filter it out by the providers. So click on MiniMax M2.7. It will take you to our module page. For current time, we are running a 20% discount. So we do keep on running generous discounts around the year. So let us know if you have any questions on the discount plan. Once you have come to this page, you can click on Open Playground, which will take you to a page which allows you to test the model, right? Just click on any prompt out there and click on Send. You'll be able to see that once you have sent this, the model will start responding. And it will give you a response pretty fast, like 200 TPS. It's pretty fast. Once you think this model works for your use case, you can copy the serverless endpoints. We have the serverless endpoints available in Python, Perl, JavaScript, and Go. Additionally, it's also available in Ruby, Java, and even, let's say, PHP, because it's an OpenAI compliant API, right? You just need to change the base URL, API key, as well as the model name. Once you are all good and set to go, you can just copy this and go to your AI application and integrate it. You can also change the settings if you want to. If not, you can just leave it as it is, streaming, visible, and whatever it is for you, right? To see if the API works or not, you'll have to either integrate it with your AI application, but if you want to see if the API works or not, you need to come to the documentation and test it out. Before testing, you need to make sure you pass an API key. So just click on Get API Key, which will take you to a page, and you can create an API key here. Then set an expiration date. It's always good to rotate your keys, and click on Create API Key. Once you have created it, copy it and close this box. Just make sure you store this somewhere safe and secure because this API will be displayed only once. And if you lose this key, you need to regenerate a new one because there is no way you can see the entire key again once you have closed this dialog box. The only way to identify which API key are you using is through the first few characters, which will be anyways visible in this part as you see. So let's go back to the application which you are building where you have integrated, or you can come back to the API references of Qubrid and paste the API key there. Go back to the model name, model page, and copy the name of the model or the model string. Now make sure this exactly matches the way it is written in this part. Any variations will cause issues. That's case sensitive as well. Just paste it in this part, and you can have the question remaining as it is. You can change the max tokens if you want, change the temperature, drop the values. You can just click on send. Now, it will give the response in any of these categories, right? If it's a 200, then it works. If it's a 400, it does not work, and all those things. You can see the examples in this part. Let's say it finally worked, right? It shows a 200 response, and it also shows that it has given a response and answer. You can just copy this and use it. It's about JSON. You can download it. Depends on you. You can see the latency, the prompt tokens, the TPS, the total tokens, completion cost, and all those things. So that is about how to use the model. If you have any questions, feel free to join our Discord server from here, and you can let us know about any questions. If you have any questions related to what modules are available on Qubrid, just go back to our documentation page, or even the models page in Qubrid, or even you can go to the documentation and have a look at whatever modules are available with the pricing, context length, with the names and everything. The API model strings are also here, so in case you want to copy, let's say if you search for MiniMax, you can just copy in this part. So copy this part and this entire thing will get copied. That is how it works. So let us know if you have any questions in the comments down below. If you are watching till the end of this video, so make sure to like, share, and subscribe this with your friends. Share it with your friends who are building with MiniMax M2.7. We are also a MiniMax partner, by the way. So let us know if you have any questions in the comments down below. And hope you have a good day ahead. We can't wait to see what you are building.